क्या आप लोग भी बैंकिंग सिस्टम से परेशान हैं? स्वागत है डीफाई की दुनिया में, जहाँ सब कुछ आसान है। Hi, I am Mehak Karram, a student from IIT Bombay and co-founder of Sarso. So you must be wondering कि DeFi क्या होता है and why I am even talking about it. So basically, DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance, which is blockchain-based technology to allow users to perform all their financial services like investment, banking, or lending their money with cryptocurrency without the need of any traditional marketplace like banks. Now, why should we adopt DeFi and why is it better than traditional banking system? So, you all must have seen long queues outside banks and you must be tired with the paperwork and hustle of banking system. But DeFi eliminate all these problems by providing all these financial services online without the need of any traditional banks. So, now you can say goodbye to this long processes and hello to instant access. Sometimes people even feel left out or banking services because of the places where they are living in like villages or rural areas. But DeFi is global. With just an internet connection, you can access all its services, which provides financial support to everyone and everywhere. Now, some of you may be listening this term for the first time, so you must be worried about its security, as money is a very important asset. So don't worry. As I told you earlier, that DeFi is based on blockchain technology. All its data is recorded on blockchain, which ensures a very high security and transparency of your data. Also, its protocols are thoroughly checked to ensure its reliability as well. Now you must be curious about the future of traditional banks and the digital payments. So you are correct. DeFi is changing its game with its innovation and competition. Now, here is the opportunity for traditional banking system and digital payment providers to adapt this technology and join hands with DeFi to ensure its customer needs and also join the global economy. So share your thoughts that are you ready to perform all your financial services on DeFi? Comment it below. Bye.